tell these clips have not been removed for a while. Beautiful.
Jared has just sprayed the cleaning solution, and now he's using a toothbrush to clean the grill. Is that what it's called? What's it called?
It's an evaporating coil. So this is where the refrigerant runs through the copper. And the aluminum fins are to give it more surface area.
Here is my before shot. While Jared's doing that, I'm going to go make us some coffee.
Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Ciao for now.